Welcome everybody to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I just want to share with you a couple of acquisitions. Now I've been after a crochet journal for a while and I actually got myself this one off Amazon. I'll put the link below. And it's really quite very good actually. It tells me, you know, who the crochet book belongs to, and then it's got kind of quite good information that I can write in for each of my projects. Project name, whom I'm making it for, occasion, a sketch if I'm designing my own, start date, end date, and little notes that I can add. My yarn used, the colour, dye lot, fibre, gauge, weight, WPI, which I haven't got a clue what it means, but I should do, which at this moment in time escapes me completely. Hoop dues, washing instructions, and any additional notes. And I suppose in there I could attach the ball band and a strand of the yarn. So I'm really pleased with this, and I bought two. So as it's not, well, it is giveaway, but it's not, if you understand what I mean. I'm not putting a giveaway in it. All I'm putting as the title of this is acquisitions. So for all my lovely subscribers who comment, if you can put the word crochet journal, and I'll pick a winner. But in your comments, don't write giveaway at all. Just include crochet journal in a sentence, like and share, and you must be a subscriber obviously of this channel. So I'm going to give one away. Now while I was something else that I bought, to be honest, I haven't got a clue when I bought it, but I was mooching in my wardrobe over there where I have other bits and bobs, on other bits of yarny bits and bobs, you know, like my yarn winder and stuff like that in there. And I've come across this grey bag, and it is actually from Delmore's, and I thought, what's in there? And look what I found. Two lots of King Cole cotton. I got this green one, which is called Apple, and I'll just keep it there for you and I'll read it. It's 100 grams, 4mm needle, 100% cotton, 229 yards, 210 meters. It's made in Turkey, and it's a King Cole, and it is it is so soft and squishy. Squishy. So I got the green, but then there's another bit of yarn in here as well, exactly the same, but this is called Buttercup, and again it's King Cole, and it'll look really nice. They'll look really nice together, but oh my goodness, it is fabulous, absolutely gorgeous, really nice and soft and squishy. So just a quick impromptu video today. I love these. I love King Cole, one of my favourites, and you know I've got so many favourites, but King Cole cotton, first time I've bought King Cole cotton in all honesty, and wow. So I'll put the link to Delmore's down below. I'll put the link to the journal, crochet journal, and if you want to be in with a chance, write a comment incorporating the words crochet journal into your comment. Do not put giveaway in there, and I will pick the winner on my podcast on the 21st, my 21st podcast, which will go live on next Sunday, the 2nd of May. we're into the end of May, oh, end of April. Oh, wow. So yeah, so if you want to be in with a chance to win one of these, incorporate a sentence using Crochet Journal, and I'll pick one of you lovely subscribers who have supported me for ages. Thank you. And so I want to like, a comment, and you must be a subscriber, and share, but don't put giveaway in your comment. Okay, that's it from me for today. Take care, stay safe, bye bye for now.